So let's do the code structure exercise and let's follow the step. We'll start by adding a folder, add folder, and we'll call it exercise. Perfect. And we'll add a new class to it. Add new item, code, class, and we'll call our class hello CSharp. Perfect. Now, since we're using version control, I strongly recommend initially when you learn to commit a lot, so you can always see the changes of what you've done. So let's say here, added the hello CSharp class. Perfect. All of these commits are local and they are later pushed to the server, so this works extremely quickly. Great. Next, we need to add the run method. So we'll say here public void run. Great. And I'm going to commit a lot now just for the sake of following the code. Added the run method. Commit. The idea here so you'll be able to see every change that we do. And next we're going to add a call to the message box method. So system, Windows, forms, message box, show, and we're going to say hello CSharp. Perfect. So we can see here that the change that we've done was to add the call to hello CSharp. Great. Cool. Now let's go over to the menu. We'll go to the views namespace, to the application MDI. We're going to add another menu over here called exercises. And in it we're going to add the entry called hello CSharp. We'll double click it. And again, by double clicking it, Visual Studio generates this code for us. Great. And we'll add to it the new exercise, the name of our namespace, dot hello CSharp dot run. Perfect. Next, let's just add some comments for documentation. Let's actually run this. And voila, it's working. Perfect. So let's add some document. Let's save this first of all. Working hello CSharp. And we can see here that in the application MDI, we've added the menu and the call to our class. Perfect. So let's commit this. Now let's add some comments so our code will be better commented out. This is my comment. And this is my multi-line comment. Really? Cool. Now, let's go, so just save, edit comment. Great. Next, let's go ahead and use the using directive. So we have all the previous using statements that we had before. We don't really need them, but let's add the ones that we need. Using system, Windows, forms. Perfect. So now we can say in a short syntax, message box show. Well, shorter is better. Perfect. So let's run this. Great. Great. Let's look at our changes. Using, removed with the single usings that we needed and called shorter is better. Perfect. And for the next thing, just let's make sure using the using directive. Perfect. And for the last part of this exercise, let's use the mbox snippet. Mbox tab and say here snippets are cool. Great. Let's run this. Exercise, hello CSharp, shorter is better, and snippets are cool. Perfect. So that's it. We've completed our exercise.